Hello Python enthusiasts, let us understand the nested list comprehension in Python. Here we have taken a simple example where I want to find out the square of each element of a nested list and I am expecting my result should be in nested form. So here what was the first logic come into the mind is nothing but we are going to use a nested for loop structure and we are trying to square the element of list and we are going to append into a new list. So that was a basic logic we are used when we want to find out the square of each element in a list. But here you can check you will get the output in this scenario it is not in a nested form. You will get a flattened list. So what will be the solution? So here the solution you can consider is nothing but nested list comprehension. So with the help of nested list comprehension, we are not updating the structure of your original list. We will just perform or we will work on individual element of the list or we can say the sublist and we will give the result in a nested form only. So now let us check how to find out the output list in case of your nested list comprehension. So as the name nested, that means we require the two for loop the same way here we require the two rectangular brackets. So here again we have the outer bracket is nothing but with respect to your outer for loop and inner bracket is with respect to your inner for loop. So here we are going to use this outer loop as well as inner loop as it is for our nested list comprehension. So for square list I am using two bracket. So outer bracket will hold the information of outer loop that is nothing but for sublist in list 1 and inner bracket will maintain the information for element in sublist as well as we are maintaining the information of square of each element of the sublist. So now you can check the output of your square list. It is in a nested form. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.